Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are going to be making some pumpkin muffins. So I have a lot of pumpkin puree laying around in my cupboard, so I don't know how I got that much, but so I needed something to take care of it, so I'm making some of these. So I have a big can. If you're gonna make this and you want less, just divide it in half and you'll be able to have 12, but I'm gonna try to make about 24 if it'll go that way. But what you need is 2 packages of yellow cake mix, and I got a 29-ounce can of the pumpkin puree, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half teaspoon of the ground cloves. Alright, that's pretty simple, so let's get this going here and see how it all turns out, and hopefully I get rid of some of this without wasting it, because I don't like wasting food, and because there's a lot of people that are starving. So alright, well, I'll see you here in a few minutes when I get everything prepped up here and ready to go, and we'll get ready on the mixing and preparation. And I got the oven preheating to 350, so we'll see you shortly. Okay guys, we are ready here. We're gonna get this going, but first thing we're gonna do, got the bowl, and we're gonna pour in the yellow cake mix, both packages. Now if you're only wanting to make 12, this should make 24, at least I'm hoping. And then put in the can of the pumpkin. Set this over here. That smells good right there. Just gotta love that. Yeah. Now I may have to try to make pumpkin pie again. The last time I made pumpkin pie myself didn't quite turn out so well. So I haven't really tried to do it before. Tried again. So now we're gonna do our 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon in there. A teaspoon of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of the ground clove, and we're gonna have the fun part here of stirring this together, mixing it together. Okay, get your electric blender, stick it in there. You want to start off low so you don't get it all going all over the place. And just get it all mixed in here. It all in there, try to get stuff off the side. It just ain't quite mixing all the way. So alright. There we go. Let me wash a little bit off. Okay. Here we go. What we're going to do, you can either, next step, you can either take your cupcake pans and grease them with some oil, or you can do the cupcake papers. So I'm going to hopefully get this all filled up here. So, yep. All filled up. There we go. Alright, I got me a little ice cream scooper. Now, I suggest you get the metal one. I went to the store to get a new one because the ice cream scoop I got wouldn't work for this, but you want to get one that has the little thing so you can get it out. But you just take it and just get your perfect little amount in there, and you just put it in right in there. And let's get your next bit and put it in there, and just go right on through here. Alright, so since wow. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this up and I'll see you shortly. Okay guys, I'm on the last one I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to finish scraping this out of the bowl with the spatula. And a looks like I came about maybe 3 short on the on my 24, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Okay, so there we go. So that gets you 21 out of that. And of course, and some of these I probably put in a little bit more in the scoop than I should have. So we're gonna put this in for 25 minutes in a preheated oven on 350. So I'll go put those in the oven and we'll see how it turns out here in 25 minutes. Okay, I'll see you shortly. Okay guys, now things are ringing. Let's get this out and take a look. Been 25 minutes. Woo. That smells good. Just look at that. Sit one over here. Ah. I just killed one. All right. Woo. Boy, these things smell good. Let's look at those. Well, I'm going to let these cool for just a little bit, and then we'll give it a good try and see how it turned out. Alright, see you shortly. Okay guys, I'm going to give these a try. I've had them sitting here for about 5 minutes. They're still nice and warm. So let me go ahead and open this up. Actually made it pretty good. I think it's pulling off, but I think most of that's because it's just so warm. This smells good. Well, let me give this a try here. Oh gosh, this is better than I thought. Nice and moist. Probably could have kept it in for another minute or two, but it is good. Well, God. Alright guys, this was my pumpkin muffins, so I really enjoyed it making it, and it's real easy. I'll put like usual, I'll put everything you need down below and how much you need. I'll even try doing the half recipe for you down there as well. So I just had a big can of pumpkin puree I had to get rid of. I still got some more, so maybe I'll do another pumpkin thing since hey, it's the season for it, right? So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna enjoy this muffin. So just take time to comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. Now I do cooking videos like this. I try to get a cooking video out every Saturday. I also do some taste test videos, and I do some sightseeing and adventure videos. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.